Hello, I'm Costella Pio. What I want to say about Dagan Bragan, what the MD told us and taught us, we went for a workshop. They taught us a lot of things about cleaning, and I've ever done cleaning, but I didn't know what they call detail cleaning. And I want to thank the MD so much for those things he has taught us. And I want to thank him during the COVID. He gave us encourage, and he encouraged us. He gave us something for us to start with our life when we were at home. And I want to thank him so much. I'm so happy for him. God bless him. And I want to tell him something, what he taught us about reach. Me, Stella, I'm still following it. I've opened something, I'm doing something at home, and that business is going. And he taught us about saving. And that is what also I'm doing. I want to thank him so much. And I want to thank our manager, Gloria. She's ever with us. Everything what we want, she's ever with us. I want to thank her so much. May the God bless her and bless Dagan Bragan. I want to wish Dagan Bragan a happy anniversary. Thank you.